finger down if you're constantly on the go, juggling work life, home life, social life, personal life, school, just life. And on top of all of that, you're trying to better yourself, so you actually have personal goals that you're working on as well. Yeah, me too. But let's be honest, all of that juggling can lead to us feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. I don't know about you, but I need tools that can keep up with my busy life and help me on my journey to self-improvement. That's where this comes in, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price.
Whoop, time to go.
These days, due to inflation, we all know a good deal when we see it. And the Tab S6 Lite definitely delivers on that front. It's significantly cheaper than other high-end tablets, making it a budget-friendly option for anyone looking to upgrade their tech without breaking the bank. But affordability isn't the only selling point. This tablet is lightweight and compact, coming in at just under a pound with a screen size of 10.4 inches. It's the perfect tool to just toss in your bag and take with you wherever you go. Whether you're just hitting a gym or going to a coffee shop, it's always there when you need it. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper into the features that make this tablet a great tool for self-improvement. One of the things that I love most is the large and vibrant display. It's perfect for reading ebooks, taking online courses, or following along on a guided meditation. You see, with the multi-window functionality, you can multitask like a pro. On one side, I can have my notes open, jotting down key takeaways from a YouTube video like this one. And on the other side, I can watch the content creator explain the key concepts. Speaking of notes, the included S Pen is fantastic. Whether you're brainstorming ideas for new content or simply keeping track of your daily goals, the S Pen makes note-taking a breeze.
And for those who love to get creative, the S Pen's pressure sensitivity allows for natural feeling note-taking and artistic expression, making it perfect for sketching or journaling. Let's talk about battery life. The Tab S6 Lite easily lasts a full workday on a single charge, so you can focus on your goals without worrying about running out of juice. Having a powerful 7,000 mAh battery, the Tab S6 Lite keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Samsung claims that a full charge will last for about 22 hours, or you can stream for up to 12 hours. I found 12 hours to be pretty accurate on my heavy use days. And on casual use days, I'm able to go multiple days on a single charge.
Now, it's important to note that this tablet was released in 2022. It's not the absolute latest model on the market. However, it still packs a punch with its specs, including a Snapdragon 732G processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and up to 128 gigs of storage depending on the model that you choose. While it might not be the most powerful tablet out there, it's perfectly capable of handling most everyday tasks, including those related to self-improvement such as note-taking, browsing the web, and using productivity apps. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S6 Tab Lite still worth purchasing? Well, that depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for a powerful, feature-rich tablet for high-end gaming or personal creative work, this might not be the tablet for you. But if you're seeking an affordable and versatile device that can actually help aid in your goals and self-improvement endeavors, then the Tab S6 Lite is definitely worth considering. And with this competitive price point, you actually can't beat it. Thank you so much for joining me on this review. If you have any questions about the Tab S6 Lite or any other tech recommendations for self-improvement, then please leave a comment down below. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. It's my dream to be a full-time YouTuber. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you again in the future. Thank you so much for watching.